Hello everyone. Today we're going to talk about how to design a meal plan. It's one thing to learn about nutrition, and it's quite another to put that knowledge into practice. How do you go from theory to reality? Let me help you out with this 5-step process. This is how to design a meal plan. Step 1. Set your goals. First, figure out what you want to achieve with your meal plan. Are you looking to lose weight, gain weight, or maintain your current weight? Or maybe you need to adjust your diet to manage a certain health condition like diabetes or high blood pressure. Your goals should be specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. For example, instead of saying I want to eat healthier, try something like I want to consume 3 servings of vegetables per day for the next month. This will help you stay focused and motivated when following your meal plan. Also, consider your lifestyle, schedule, and dietary restrictions or preferences when setting your goals. This will help you create a realistic and sustainable plan that fits your needs. Let's say you have a busy schedule or you don't eat meat. You can set goals like I will meal prep on Sundays to save time during the week. Or, I will explore different plant-based protein sources to meet my needs. By considering these factors, you can develop a personalized approach that sets you up for success. Next, we need to assess your nutritional needs. You determine your daily caloric needs. You can use an online calculator. These calculators usually take into account your age, sex, weight, height, and activity level. Based on these factors, they can estimate how many calories you need to maintain your current weight. From there, you can adjust your calorie intake depending on your goals. If you want to lose weight, aim for a calorie deficit. That means consuming fewer calories than your body burns. If you want to gain weight, aim for a calorie surplus, meaning you'll consume more calories than your body burns. And if you want to maintain your weight, then keep your calorie intake close to your maintenance level. Now, once you have your calorie goal in mind, you can start figuring out your macronutrients. Macronutrients are nutrients that your body needs in large amounts. They include carbohydrates, protein, and fat. These nutrients provide energy and are essential for various bodily functions. Each macronutrient has a different role and provides a specific amount of calories per gram. Carbohydrates and protein both provide 4 calories per gram, while fat provides 9 calories per gram. So if you know how many calories you should be eating per day, you can figure out how many grams of each macronutrient you need. There are plenty of free online calculators that can help you figure out your macro split. Just enter your calorie goal, and it'll show you how many grams of carbs, protein, and fat you should be consuming per day. Now, if you're really serious about creating a well-balanced meal plan, you may also want to consider your micronutrients. Micronutrients are vitamins and minerals that your body needs in smaller amounts. They don't provide energy, but they are crucial for various bodily processes. Examples of micronutrients include vitamin C, calcium, and iron. You can use resources like other websites to learn about recommended intakes for different vitamins and minerals based on your age, sex, and other factors. These tools can help you make sure you're getting enough of all the nutrients you need. Remember, the key to creating a successful meal plan is to set realistic and achievable goals that align with your preferences and lifestyle. By assessing your nutritional needs and setting clear goals, you're relaying the foundation for a well-balanced and effective meal plan that can support your overall health and well-being. Step 3. Plan your meals. Now that you have a good idea of how many calories and what nutrients you need, it's time to plan your meals. Start by creating a meal schedule. Determine the number of meals and snacks you want to eat each day. This could be 3 meals and 2 snacks, for example. Also, consider any dietary restrictions or preferences you have, such as vegetarianism or gluten intolerance. Then decide which foods you'll eat at each meal. Here's a simple breakdown of how many times per day you should eat from each food group. Aim for 2 to 3 servings of fruit per day. Good sources of fruit include apples, bananas, berries, and citrus fruits. Try to eat 3 to 5 servings of vegetables every day. Examples include broccoli, carrots, spinach, and tomatoes. Choose whole grains for your carbohydrate source. Whole grains contain all parts of the grain kernel, including the bran, endosperm, and germ. Examples of whole grains are brown rice, quinoa, and oats. For lean protein, eat 2 to 3 servings per day. Some options are chicken breast, fish, tofu, and beans. Finally, incorporate healthy fats into your diet with 2 to 3 servings per day. These include avocados, olive oil, nuts, and seeds. Once you've decided which foods to eat, plan out your meals for the week. You can use a planner, calendar, or meal planning app to organize your meals. Consider the timing of your meals and snacks and make sure they fit your schedule and preferences. For example, if you prefer to eat a light breakfast, plan something like oatmeal with berries and nuts. If you're short on time during the week, consider meal prepping on the weekends. This involves cooking and portioning out meals in advance, so you can grab them and go when you're short on time. Meal prepping can save you time and money, and can help you stick to your meal plan. There are countless meal prep ideas online. If you're new to meal prepping, start with simple recipes that you enjoy. As you become more comfortable, you can try new things. Planning your meals ahead of time is crucial for sticking to your meal plan. It helps you avoid making impulsive food choices when you're hungry and can prevent overeating or skipping meals. By taking the time to plan your meals, you'll be better equipped to stay on track and achieve your nutrition goals. Step 4. Make a grocery list. Before heading to the grocery store, create a list of all the ingredients you'll need to prepare your meals. Check your pantry and refrigerator to see what you already have on hand, and make a list of what you need to buy. Organize your list by the sections of the grocery store to make your shopping trip more efficient. Stick to your list to avoid impulse purchases, and only buy what you need. Consider buying in bulk if it fits your budget and you have a way to store the items. If you have leftovers, plan to use them in the following days. This helps prevent waste and ensures that you have quick and easy meal options ready to go. Also, if you eat similar meals during the week, you may want to double the recipe and freeze half for a future meal. This can save you time and effort during busy weekdays. Writing out a detailed grocery list is essential for staying on track with your meal plan. It helps you stay organized, avoid impulse purchases, and ensures that you have all the necessary ingredients to prepare your meals. Step 5. Review and adjust. Regularly review your meal plan to make sure it's meeting your nutritional needs and helping you reach your goals. Make adjustments as needed to keep your meal plan fresh and exciting. Don't be afraid to experiment with new recipes and ingredients, but also be flexible. Allow yourself to indulge in occasional treats or deviate from the plan when it fits your schedule and preferences. This approach helps you stay motivated and increases the likelihood that you'll stick to your meal plan in the long run. It's important to evaluate the effectiveness of your meal plan and make changes when needed. For example, if you're not seeing progress toward your weight loss goals, you may need to adjust your calorie intake or macronutrient ratios. If you're feeling fatigued or lacking energy, you may need to increase your carbohydrate intake or make sure you're getting enough protein. Review your food and exercise journal regularly and be prepared to make adjustments to your meal plan as needed. Remember that a successful meal plan is one that is personalized to your needs and preferences, and that is sustainable over the long term. By following these steps and being willing to make adjustments along the way, you can create a meal plan that supports your overall health and well-being. Well, those are our 5 steps to designing a meal plan. If you found this video helpful, please hit the thumbs up button below and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great nutrition tips. And here are some additional tips to help you design your meal plan. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water throughout the day. Water helps keep you feeling full, which can prevent overeating. It also helps your body digest food and absorb nutrients. Limit processed foods and focus on incorporating whole, unprocessed foods into your meal plan. Processed foods often contain added sugars, unhealthy fats, and excessive sodium, which can contribute to weight gain and other health problems. Instead, choose whole, unprocessed foods such as fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Cook at home. Cooking at home allows you to control the ingredients and portion sizes of your meals. It also gives you the opportunity to experiment with new recipes and cooking techniques. Try to cook at least a few meals at home each week using fresh, healthy ingredients. Seek professional guidance. If you need additional support or guidance in designing a meal plan, consider consulting with a registered dietitian or healthcare professional. They can provide personalized advice and help you develop a meal plan that meets your specific needs and goals. Registered dietitians are experts in nutrition and can help you make informed food choices. They can also provide guidance on how to read food labels, make healthy substitutions, and avoid common nutrition pitfalls. Healthcare professionals, such as doctors or nurse practitioners, can also offer valuable insights and recommendations for creating a meal plan. They can consider your individual health conditions, medications, and lifestyle factors to provide tailored advice. Whether you choose to work with a registered dietitian or another healthcare professional, seeking guidance can be an invaluable investment in your health and well-being. And remember, designing a meal plan is just the first step. The real challenge is sticking to it. Set realistic goals, track your progress, and be patient with yourself. Creating sustainable, healthy eating habits takes time, but the benefits to your health and well-being will be worth it in the end. Thanks for watching.